Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing for you guys, so let's get started. Okay. This is a true unboxing. So excited. Okay, before I show you the bag, this is the receipt. Oops, it's upside down. I'm sorry. Yay! Okay, let's take this out. And here's the gas bag and the booklet that comes with it. Okay, this is my Gabrielle in small size in the age calfskin leather, burgundy color from the 19B collection. This is how the strap looks like. It has all the hardware, the ruthenium, the gold, and the silver. Here's the silver. And it has this leather tab and that CC logo. I really like this. This is what the bottom looks like. It's hard. There. And the side. And on the other side, it has this extra D-ring. It also have a leather strap that has a ruthenium and antique gold. So this is how the closure looks like. It's a zipper and it's very tight. Okay, let's open this up. Oops. This is how the interior looks like. It has a burgundy lining and it has this extra hook where you can put your keys. It's also have a zipper compartment here. There, and the authenticity card, and of course it's from the 28 series. Oops. Sorry. There. Okay. Also have another compartment here. And this, where you put your lipstick. I really like this bag. For the measurement, the base length is 8 inches, the height is 6 inches, and the width is 3.2 inches. What I like about this bag is it is a good everyday bag. You can use this bag from day to night, and you can style this bag with different outfits. Now let's check how it looks on me. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, a crossbody, you can also twist it like this and hang the chain, and you can wear the crossbody. There's another way to wear this, but I don't think I will wear it like that. So you wear it as a crossbody, and you put this chain here on your shoulder, and this is what they call the V, because there's a letter V. And you can also wear this as a belt. So the strap, you put it over your head and then slide it down there, and looks like a belt, like you're wearing a belt. So what do you think about this Gabrielle bag? Do you like it or not? Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!